Welcome back to Spy Garage.
In the world of luxury recreational vehicles, the 2025 Prevost Marathon Coach is the pinnacle of engineering and elegance. Constructed on the sturdy and painstakingly constructed Prevost chassis, which is well known for its longevity and comfortable ride, the Marathon Coach goes beyond the traditional definition of a motorhome and represents a mobile estate intended for affluent tourists. The 2025 model year's exterior is distinguished by an elegant and classic style. In addition to being aesthetically pleasing, its streamlined, aerodynamic design helps to improve fuel economy and lessen wind noise while in motion. The boundaries between the interior sanctuary and the outside world are blurred by the use of flush-mounted panoramic windows, which provide residents with vast vistas of the surrounding landscape. Custom paint jobs that are painstakingly applied in layers to produce a rich and glossy finish highlight the coach's uniqueness even more. Entering the 2025 Prevost Marathon Coach feels like stepping into a custom-built, opulent condominium. The use of only the best materials and painstaking craftsmanship are evident in the interior design. Every surface is adorned with hand-selected hardwoods, soft leathers, and sumptuous textiles, resulting in an atmosphere of unmatched elegance, often including several slide-out portions that increase the living area at the push of a button. The arrangement is carefully designed to optimize both space and utility. The salon room functions as an elegant living area and is usually equipped with specially created seating configurations, such as cozy couches and recliner chairs. Modern entertainment systems that blend in well with the cabinets offer captivating visual and aural experiences. The overall atmosphere of subtle elegance is enhanced by bespoke lighting fixtures, which are frequently tunable to produce different moods. With professional-grade appliances such gourmet induction cooktops, convection microwave ovens, and integrated refrigerator units, the 2025 Marathon Coach's galley is a culinary marvel. While handcrafted countertops, frequently made from exotic stones, offer an opulent workspace, custom-designed cabinetry offers plenty of storage for provisions and cooking necessities. With king or queen-sized beds, top-notch mattresses, and sumptuous linens, the sleeping areas are intended to be secluded havens. Spa-like features like walk-in showers with several shower heads, custom vanities with designer fixtures, and frequently integrated washing machines and dryers for maximum convenience on long trips are all included in ensuite bathrooms. Incorporating technology into the 2025 Prevost Marathon Coach is crucial. From lighting and climate management to entertainment and security features, sophisticated control systems oversee every facet of the coach's operation. These systems are frequently accessed via user-friendly touchscreens or mobile applications. Advanced communication and navigation technologies provide smooth connectivity and simple trip preparation. The 2025 Marathon Coach is designed for outstanding performance and dependability in addition to its luxurious amenities. Even when traveling long miles, the sturdy Prevost frame and a strong and effective diesel engine deliver a stable and comfortable ride. To sum up, the 2025 Prevost Marathon Coach is the ultimate in opulent motorcoaching. For those who expect the best, this painstakingly designed mobile home offers an incredibly remarkable travel experience by skillfully fusing unmatched comfort, cutting-edge technology, and sturdy engineering.